Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well. Students, today we are going to learn about birds in Science chapter number 4, page number 38. Planet Earth is blessed with many kinds of birds. You can see birds in the boats, in the parks and gardens near your homes. You can see them in all colors and in all sizes. Birds are in various colors. You can see. The sight of birds in the sky is simply a treat for eyes. It means when you are watching a bird to take flight, glide through the air and land, you feel happy. You feel amazed. Students, you can see so many pictures of birds are here. Did you know there are over 10,000 types of birds? Now, how birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. Birds have wings which help them to fly. They have strong muscles attached to the wings which help them to move or fly. They use these muscles to flap their wings. To fly, a bird flaps its wings both upward and forward direction. It uses its tail to change the direction while flying. When it lands, it spreads out its wings to stop. Not all birds use their wings to fly. There are many birds like penguin, ostrich, the kiwi and the emu that do not use their wings to fly at all. Penguins use their wings to swim and move in water. Ducks and swans also use their wings to swim. Peacocks and hens cannot fly so high, so they do not use their wings too often. You can see flightless birds are here. Now the body of a bird. Have you seen the shape of a bird's body? It is a boat shape. This shape helps it to fly and cut the flow of air. Further, the bones of a bird are thin and hollow. The light weight of a bird also helps it to fly easily. Now, feathers of a bird. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Some birds have bright colored feathers like peacock, parrot. They look so beautiful. Feathers are very important because they help a bird to fly. They also keep their body warm. There are three kinds of feather. Flight feather. These are long feather in the wings and tail used for flying. As you can see in the figure, down feathers. These are soft and fluffy and keep the body warm. Body feather. These feather cover the bird body. Now, beaks of birds. Now, how a bird eats. A bird has no teeth. It cannot chew its food. So, how does it eat? It has a beak which helps it to eat. The beak helps it to pick up the food, bite, crack or tear it into small pieces. With the help of beak, a bird can cut the bite, tear the food into small pieces. It is suited to its food habits. Look at the beaks of these birds. Parrot. Parrot has a hooked or curved beak. As you can see, it helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. It also helps it to climb. Flesh-eating birds like eagles, vultures, kites, owls, and hawks have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. The beaks help them to tear the flesh into small pieces. Birds such as woodpecker has a strong, sharp, pointed beak which help it to make holes in the trunks of trees and pick up or pull out the insect from the trunk. Water birds such as duck and goose have a broad and flat beak. It helps the bird to dig the mud near water to pick up insects and worms. A kingfisher has a broad, long, and pointed beak. It helps the bird to catch the fish.